Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to our second video of the day. I am doing a review video for Master Affiliate Profits. So, in this Master Affiliates Profits review, I'm going to show you guys all about MAP. It's actually made by my good buddy John Thornhill. I love a lot of his products. He did really a really good job on things like the ambassador program, which I'm part of. He's made a lot of good things. But I'm going to go through what Master Affiliate Profits is, and go through what makes this such a great thing to get into. And right now, you can get in for free. You can do what you want for free. You can learn about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to go through why this is such a standout product and why it works well for new affiliates as well as people who have already started earning income online. And I'm going to explain why it's all so great. So first of all, Master Affiliate Profits was created as of last year. The price point for it then was $9.97 one time. They did a phase one. I think actually I can't remember if it was 2024 or 2023, but they did like a high ticket price point where you could get in for a one time fee. You never had to pay again, and you got done for you traffic and everything else. And that was what they called the backing phase. So they had phase one launch, and then they had phase two launch, and now we're in phase three. Phase three allows you to join for free, and then there are many different learning courses depending on what you want to learn in affiliate marketing. It's also great for people who want to brush up on their skills if they're already affiliate marketers. Um, I think that John and Omar and I can't remember the other lady's name. There's a lady that joins in with them on this. I can't remember her name, but the three of them have done a great job with this. You'll notice I haven't earned anything yet. I'm still getting people signed up and everything. But it does work. It is a great um, system, and I think when people see the value in it, they'll really jump for it. So, first of all, Master Affiliate Profits was created due to the fact that they wanted to create an ecosystem. Now, I'm going to explain how traditional affiliate marketing works before we get into the actual, meat and potatoes of the whole thing. So, basically, how affiliate marketing works is you drive traffic to links. Okay. So, for instance, let's say you're the customer that I'm driving to a link. I drive you to a link. And then what happens is that you go and you buy that product. So, when you buy that product, you now enter onto a list of that vendor. So what happens is that now you are on two different lists. You're on my list and you're on the vendor's list. The vendor will then be able to send you their offers as they're coming out with new products. They also try and do affiliate marketing themselves. It's actually a way to generate buyers. And it's actually one of the most effective ways to generate buyers. The problem with it is that me, the affiliate, actually suffers because when I go and I promote my products to you, you may not want that product because you may have already gone the vendor's product, and they might be offering the same thing as me, and you might go get it for the vendor if you like their product or whatever. So I'll miss it on the sale, but the vendor gets the sale. And this is where it gets into a vicious cycle of competition. And basically what John Thornhill and Omar Martin have done, and again, I can't remember the lady's name. What they've done is they created MAP. And MAP, Master Affiliate Profits, was created due to the fact that they were sick and tired of seeing affiliates fail. Now, not only did they create a spot where you get the lead and they will eventually sign up to other things within Master Affiliate Profits, and you'll make that money, you also make something called recurring income, which recurring income is something that pays you month after month, year after year, day after day, whatever. Recurring commissions are better, and this is what the second thing that John created this for. John and Omar created this for was because of the fact that usually how it works with affiliate marketing is if you go and promote a product that is a one-time payment, you only get paid one time, and that's great and everything if you can promote that product. But the problem with it is that you get that one-time fee, and then you're waiting for another sale to come in. Whereas recurring income, and I can honestly attest to this because if you've watched anything else on my channel, anything to do with my lead gen secret or any of those other videos that I do have recurring income coming in from that. And what is that is also known as predictable income. So every month is predictable income because the recurring income is always coming in. It doesn't matter, I may have one or two people drop off, but I still have that recurring income coming in from other people that are still in my system. So that's why John and Omar created this product or this system because it's an ecosystem that I find very lucrative because the thing is that I know being an affiliate marketer myself, yes, you may get that one time fee or that one time payment from a sale or whatever. But then after that, you don't get anything else. And then that buyer or whatever is on the vendor's list. And yeah, it's painful because you're trying to still offer them stuff and it's like, you know, it does it. That's why systems like OSP, MAP, things like that, they're all great systems to be in because you get the commissions regardless because they're all ecosystems that have been created. Now, what also makes this lucrative is the training. Okay, now as an affiliate marketer, I will tell you right now, I struggled for 1 year before I started making sales online. And I'm going to tell you, there was a lot of information out there. I did get my hands on a course that did teach me a lot. But the thing is, I still went and did what other affiliates do and managed to rack up a credit card bill of products that I tried, and I would try them for like 2 days and then move on to the next. I'd try the next one for 2 days, move on to the next. And I just got into a vicious cycle of doing this. And then that was when I realized I needed traffic and I needed things like that. But this is where Master Affiliate Profits is good too, that you get the learning. So inside Master Affiliate Profits, you not only get an ecosystem where you can make money, you'll see that I've got leads that have come in. Like I've gone and advertised on my own. I'm only a free member right now. I am looking to eventually upgrade to the $97, which I will get into that in a little bit. But the Master Affiliate Profits is a really good system. Now, here's what makes it so good. If you go here, and I mentioned the training, right? So you've got live training, first of all. You can go get into the live trainings. In the live training, oh, I just gotta wait and make sure. Okay, my camera did follow, or my thing followed. Okay, so live training, they have the live training sessions and things like that. So you will get live training. Okay, they got backstage sessions, they got discovery session, things like that. Now this is you would have to go through this site. I haven't even completely 100% taken this site apart, but it is a great system. The learning here is just crazy. So let's go and take a look at the others. So then you've got list building. Okay, so they teach you how to do list building. Let's go take a look at list building. So in the list building, you'll notice that there's like a little, I think this is an ebook or something, but um, they basically go through list building strategies for beginners, list building tactics for income growth, and advanced training for super income status. So they give you all kinds of different training within these things. And that's where this is great because they're teaching you, they've broken it up. So if you want to be a master of all, basically a master of all these affiliate marketing techniques, you can come here and learn every single thing. So there's list building, there's email marketing. They even teach you inside the email marketing when you're generating. Oh, hold on, I don't know if you got the expand or the sorry, you've got the emails here um, for the master affiliate profits, so you can use these to get people into your system. And then you can also you look at the training, so you can get the training and stuff. You can take a look at the videos and stuff like that. um, and they'll teach you about email marketing through here. Another thing is that if you go to the lead, I believe it's the lead. Yeah, I think it's my leads. You'll also get some promotion emails and some welcome sequences. So, for instance, you can hook up your own autoresponder. So I've got my GetResponse hooked up. I don't use any of the others. Um, so I've got GetResponse, and then what you can do is they actually give you a Phase 3 MAP member email sequence. And what you do is you can either get Aweber and import this code right here to your campaign, or you can go and do your own, like get these emails imported into your autoresponder. I suggest, though, if you're starting out and you don't have an autoresponder yet, I would suggest going with GetResponse, because that is by far the best. I don't like Aweber. Never have, never will. Aweber is just not beginner friendly. I screwed up with them once, and they got rid of my account. That was when I was brand new. I didn't know what I was doing. Um, I'm going to put it this way, and I do apologize in advance, but I didn't know my ass from a hole in the wall. Excuse the language. But anyway, so yeah, you can do all kinds of things. You can learn traffic training. You can learn social media marketing. You can learn how to create bonuses. You can do video marketing. There's many different things, and you can learn all this stuff. Okay, and then they even offer you a Facebook group, and then the blogging as well. You can learn how to blog better if you do blogging, or if you're interested in blogging for affiliate marketing and things like that. There's also the VIP lounge and stuff like that. So let's get into the memberships. Now, you do get some training for being a member, you get some training for being a free member. Now, if you upgrade, I'm going to go to the upgrades really quick here. So if you decide to upgrade, now you can do an annual or you can do a monthly. If you do the annual, then obviously it's less money than if you were to do the monthly. Um, so the silver is 37, and they show you the things you get. So you got silver, you got gold, you got platinum. Platinum is by far the best, though. You do get all the things, but you also get um, done for you traffic. Now you get 100% commissions on upsell one. You get 75% on all levels. You get 50% on add-ons. You get 10% on clicks, and you get 20% on commissions on live workshops. You also get third-party commissions. You get two-tier commissions, 25%. You get rapid digital assets to offer people. You get commission experts and VIP strategy call. The done for you traffic is only for platinum, and in my opinion, it is the best solution, or the best upgrade, simply because of the done for you traffic. I've actually got a buddy on Facebook that I'm friends with. Him and I both actually work in my lead gen together. We both having we're both pretty uh, on par with that. But he was talking to me about the done for you traffic, and he's used the done for you traffic, and he said it is the best thing ever. He said the done for you traffic, I don't have to worry about traffic, and it comes in, and they literally, some of them do upgrade, some of them don't. I mean, that's the way affiliate marketing goes. Some may upgrade, some don't. But the done for you traffic does work really nicely, and he said it they go out and promote your link. The other beauty about um, the system, though, is for free, even the free members, you get done for you emails done. Um, you get done for you emails. What I mean by that is John himself, John and Omar Martin, will actually go and when people sign up to your link, when people come into your system, they will email them for 90 days on top of your welcome sequence that you get with your leads. They will actually go, if we take a look here, you will actually get to on top of this, they tell you like when to send these out and everything in your autoresponder, but they will actually email the leads for you for 90 days to encourage them to upgrade to MAP. So that's pretty cool as well. So again, this system, I'm still going through it, guys, and it's just nuts. Okay, I love what I'm seeing so far. John has done an amazing job. I love John's products. He does put a lot of work into things. He wants to help people. When he started affiliate marketing, he was coming from being a factory. Um, he was coming from being a factory grunt, um, if I could say it that way. Um, he really struggled with affiliate marketing at first too, and he had to bootstrap every single um, part of his business. And he's now a successful entrepreneur. And the fact that he made something like this is just it's mind blowing, guys. I personally have never seen any marketers do something like MAP before. Even if they do make a free program, it's usually like you get like a few commissions here and there. This has high ticket commission. It has high ticket recurring and stuff like that. It's just mind blowing, guys. So if anything, I really like this product. My ending verdict on it is I really love MEP. I'm not going to stop with it. I'm going to try it with all my traffic sources. I think it's an amazing system, and I think everyone should take a look at it. I tried to make these reviews a little unbiased, but if I can be honest, it's hard to be unbiased when I'm part of it, and it's a great system, and I see the value up front, and that's really at the end of the day what you should be looking for is a system that provides you with value. Um, and this provides you with value. It's just amazing. Great stuff inside of it, great learning, great recurring income. And they're also planning on doing something else. If I can go to my profile here. So if I go down here, you'll actually see you actually can attach ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Udemy. And they actually are going to be eventually, John said the reason why he's doing this is because if in the future he decides to promote ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo products for you to your leads or whatever, or have ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus products or whatever, he wants the commissions to go to you. So that's why he's got you putting in your stuff for your affiliate connections or whatever. So that's all I got for you guys today. You guys have a great day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this Master Affiliate Profits review. Check it out, give it a shot. It's a great system, I think. It has lots of value, and it can teach you a lot about affiliate marketing. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and subscribe, and share the video to help grow the community. I'd love to see more in the community, and I'd love to help more people earn an income online. So you guys have a great day. Cheers.